Hello everyone, I am Suci Oktavia Ramadhani from class 12 OTKP 1. And my friends,
I'm Alicia Diputri.
Eka Wahyuningsih. So this time we want to complete an English podcast.
A 6 month until or college
Dilemma.
Hopefully it can be entertaining and useful.
Happy watching guys! Hello guys, welcome to the AAHI podcast. Ada apa hari ini? Before we start today's podcast, we will first introduce ourselves and guest star today. I am Suci Oktavia Ramadhani and guest star today.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I am Eka.
Oh wow, if I may know, come here yourself of bring team of friends.
Of course, with my beloved team.
Okay.
If I accompany my boyfriend.
Hey, study here, Kaika. By the way, how are you guys?
I'm good, I'm fine.
I am fine.
How are you doing yourself?
I'm fine. I'm good. Thanks, good. Okay, guys. Today we will discuss a very relevant topic regarding college or work. There are so many people who are confused about whether they will graduate from high school, whether they want to go college or just want to work. What do you think about the response?
I did that first time.
Of course, Alicia. Oh,
For me, I'm still unsure about my future. Like, I'm just wish I want to go to college, but I'm afraid I'll get the wrong major. Or I want to work first, but I'm unsure about the future. What if I do?
Well, I also thought about I like that. She's just like Alisa. I am doubtful because we don't have any experiences with her who. So I fly to start first.
okay. So to the point is, you guys are still hesitant about taking step. Okay. Before the next question session, you may have a smell snack, please. Okay. Let's start with the classic question first. What's your biggest fear when you start to enter the adult life? For example, you have finished school and you have to decide on your next steps. Okay, Kak Eka, what do you think?
I said to be afraid disappointing people's expectation. My parents wanted me to go to college so I could have a degree. But in my second year, I realized that the academic work was for me. When I decided to stop there or from, I was really afraid of being not a failure.
Oh, so your parents want you to college, but you feel like just work.
Yes, I like that sis.
Oh, okay. How about Alicia?
I'm honestly really afraid of making the wrong choice, like I said at the beginning. And also because I'm the first child. So there's a little pressure to be successfully because I don't have the experience of an older sibling. Plus, college isn't cheap. I'm afraid of burdening my parents. Of course, it's like I'm studying at the same time as I'm working by taking employee class.
Oh, this is a bit different from what happened earlier. If it were your parents' will, if you were afraid of burdening your parents, but your parents allow you to go college or vice versa.
But my parents' side is whatever you want it I support.
Oh, okay. So you're just afraid that if you make the wrong move, you're afraid of disappointing them, right?
Yes, like that.
Understand. Well, now you discuss the main question: study or work? In your opinions, which one shall come first, or which one is better? What do you think about Alicia?
College seems to be the standard for getting a good job, doesn't it? It's like having the tools to apply later. But I see there's also many successful people who don't go to college, like freelancer or entrepreneur.
Yes, no, it's mostly like that. Instead of going to college, it's better to be a freelancer. Just relax, it's not complicated. Is that true?
Well, yes, there are lots of people like that.
What if you do it?
In my opinion, studying is not an application but a tool. If you really need to go to college for your dream career, then take it. But it is more comfortable to jump straight into the world of work. Why not? I myself stopped studying and started working freelance, and finally I was able to develop in the work that I like.
But many people are afraid that if they don't go to college, it will be difficult to get a job. Have you ever felt like it was impossible before you finally decide to work as a freelancer?
Italy, yes, especially since there are many job candidates out for a degree. But not many companies look more a skill than diploma. I built a portfolio, took small project, and decided of getting bigger jobs.
But if you don't go to college, how do you learn the skill?
There are many ways now what I online bootcamp courses and self-learning via YouTube and learned design and digital marketing from the internet and having to go to formal college.
Oh yeah, that possible too. So you don't have to go college as long as you have to work because what is needed nowadays is more skill than a diploma. Okay, go into. By the way, did you go to private or state school?
When I went to elementary school, it was in the state. Then junior high school was also in the state. But did you know in the past went to go to a boarding school?
Are you serious about going to boarding school?
Yes, that's right. I don't know why. I don't know why I want to go to Islamic boarding school. Maybe because I'm still unstable.
Then I went to Islamic boarding school.
Why?
Why? Maybe my parents can be far from their children, but actually my parents are happy so hard that I want to go to boarding school. But the feeling of not wanting to be far from their children is probably better. So I go to junior high school.
Oh, okay. That's a science. But whatever, parent spike is probably more than enough out.
In my last school, I choose to go to a vocational high school. Why? Because it's rich. There's not a lot of material, isn't it? There's more practice, which I thought was much better, but it's too hot. Not really. The test and communication part Wow, I'm almost like I'm going crazy. Isn't it almost the same as the score?
Does the mean you went to public school? Then went to private school?
Yes, sis.
Okay.
Then, what if you are Eka? Have you been private since you were little or country?
Well, how's it is Eka?
Actually, the opposite of you, Alisa. When I was elementary school, I went to a private school. Then to a boarding school at ME. After that, my last school was high school. So I waited to go to vocational high school because I was rich. You can work straight away. Right? Like we have experience for example stage vendors.
Oh, PKL is kind of interesting like that, but it is doesn't like last long, only a few months. If I'm not mistaken, around 3 and 6 months. Isn't that right?
That's right. It might be easy to enter for a form. But my parents told me to go to school, so I could just go straight to college working as a design.
To opposite experience. It is seems, but whatever fact you type, it may have its own advantage. Even though the method are different, the goal is still the same.
Okay. If my now, what do you think about when you think about going to college or work?
To be honest, I'm also like you. Was is confused thinking about whether I'm better off going to college first or working first or both. But thank God, when you were at school, you were very active.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Yes, I used to serve as vice president of the student council.
So it's really cool.
You're really surprised. Not only that, my older brother was often invited to take part in campus seminar and through school. Thank God, from grade 10 to grade 12, he continued to rank 1.
Oh wow, this is truly amazing.
It is real cool. It's Kenyan. What are you eating, bro?
In my books every day. The point is you have to be diligent in studying too. Don't let ego because it is really lost in my opinion study.
Is that true, sis? I swear I want to go to that hands. Other unit part of the same term on your feet.
If you are there, you are there. For example, if our listener confused like Alicia, what advice do you have for them?
As for me, don't just follow your friends or other people's expectation. Think carefully about your own interests and abilities. And one more thing, don't be proud.
Agree and don't be afraid to try working out doing internship first before deciding to go to college. Because Alisa said earlier that you can go to college and take employer classes while working. The important thing is not to be stuck in my place because you are afraid of failure.
Okay, basically there is no right or strong choice. It all depends on each person goals.
It's true that if you want to go to college, you know that the important is continue the flow.
Whoa, our discussion today was really exciting. I hope this podcast can help and be a motivation For friends who are confused about the future, before we close, there is one last message that you want to convey, right? Alicia and Eka? Okay, Alicia.
For me, take your time, don't stress too much about the future because everyone has their own path.
Oh.
And not be afraid to fail. Sometimes we have to try several times before feeling a stable pet friends.
Wow, great! Thank you so much, Ferry and Eka and Alicia, for sharing their experience. Hopefully, it will be useful for us listeners. See you in the next episode of Adult Dilemma. Don't forget to be subscribed to the podcast AAHI. Ada apa hari ini? Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings and mistakes. We love you.
Ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà anh đến thương. Ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà anh đến thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tăng sang tiếng, anh tình mình tăng tăng tăng. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tăng tăng tiếng, tăng tình mình tình tăng tăng tăng.
Hello guys, welcome to podcast AAHI. Ada apa hari ini? Before we start today's podcast, we will first introduce ourselves and my guest today. I am Studio Family, and guest today I am Alicia. I am Eka. Okay, well, if I might know, compare yourself of being of friends. Of course, with my beloved team. Okay, if I am my friend, is Eka. Eka, how are you today? I'm good, I'm fine. Yes, I am fine. How are you doing yourself? I'm good, thank you. Okay guys, today we will discuss a very relevant topic regarding college or work. There are some people we are concerned about whether they graduate from high school. Whether they want to go college or just want to work. What do you think? You respond, Alicia.
I did the first time.
Okay, how Alicia?
For me, I'm still unsure about my own future.
Okay.
I'm just restless. I want to go to college, but I'm afraid I'll get the wrong major, or I want to law. But first, I'm unsure about my future. What if you?
Well, I also don't know what I like it. Since just like Alisa, I am the two because we don't have any experiences anyway. So I try to start with.
Okay, okay. So the point is you guys are still listening about taking step, okay? Before the next question session, you can help us announcement, please. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the basic question first. What was your biggest for when you start to enter the adult place? For example, you finish school and you have to decide on the next steps. Okay. And what about it?
I also to be affected by people expectation. My parents went to local college, so I could have a degree. But in my second year, I was the academic part was for me. When I needed to stop studying and work, I was really a fan of being no aspire.
Oh, so your parents want you to college, but you feel like doing something wrong.
Yes, I like that.
Okay. About Aisha.
I'm honestly really afraid of making the wrong choice. Like I said at the beginning, and also because I'm the first child, so there's likely sure to be successful because I don't have the experience of an older sibling. Plus, college isn't chips. I'm afraid of being my parents. Of course, it's like I'm studying at the same time as like working by taking college class.
Oh, this is a bit different from what happened earlier. If it was your parents, if you were afraid with the new parents, but your parents allow you to college or vice versa.
But my parents said, if ever you want it, support.
Oh, okay. So yours is afraid that if you make the wrong move, you're afraid of disappointing them, right?
Yes, like that.
Oh, I understand. Okay. Well, now you discuss the main question. Study or work? In your opinion, which one? So come first. Which one is better? What do you think, Aisha? Apa yang dulu saya apa yang tadi? Yang pertama dulu ya. Yang kedua nanti langsung. Langsung yang. Yes, no, it must be like that. It's not of going to college. It's better to be a freelancer. Just realize it's not complicated. Yes, that's true.
Well, yes, there's a lot of people like
Okay, but if you do it, what if you do it?
In my opinion, studying is not obligation but out of love. So, if you find it to college for you, then try it, then take it. But it is more comfortable to just like the work offer. Why not? I myself start studying as I'm working freelance as I know. I want to develop in the work that I like.
But many people are afraid that if they don't do college, it will be difficult to get a job. Have you ever felt like it was impossible before you finally decide to work as a freelancer?
Actually, yes, especially since there are many job license apps for RDT. But no many companies have a lot more skill. That is promised. I bought portfolio of small projects and yes, I get to getting bigger jobs.
But if you don't go to college, how do you learn the skill